If you drink this every morning, your skin will glow, digestion will smile, and immunity will stand like a rock. Come, let's make powerful Amla juice today. Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we are making a juice which is super healthy, super refreshing, and many of you have asked me in the comments, Geeta, what is the secret of your energy? And this is the secret of my energy. This Amla juice which I have every morning and takes very few ingredients and just 2 minutes to make. Come, let's start. Here I have 2 fresh amlas or Indian gooseberry. Even with just one, we can make 2 glasses of juice. So wash it very well. Just cut them around the seed like this. Just cut them into segments like this. Amlas are a storehouse of all good benefits, equal to more than 20 oranges. So it is nature's gift to us. Just cut it around the seed like this. Then we can discard the seed. Now in your blender jar, add the cut amla pieces. This is one small piece of ginger I have peeled. You can just take a half-inch piece, small piece is enough. Add that also. Especially in winter, ginger gives warmth to the body and that has also got immense health benefits. Now add a little bit of water and crush it all well together. Now top it up with more cold water. Cold or room temperature water depending on the season. I like to add a pinch of this pink salt. It enhances the flavor very well. Also squeeze the juice of half a lemon into it for taste. Give the salt and the lemon a good mix. Now strain out the juice into your cups. It is so refreshing and tastes excellent as it is, but for those who want a sweet taste, we can add some honey if you like, honey or jaggery powder, whatever you prefer. Just look at this color, so fresh and natural. This juice helps with immunity, digestion, hair growth, glowing skin, immense benefits. Best time to drink, morning on empty stomach. We have made it a routine. Every morning when we come back from our walk, we have a glass of this fresh amla juice, which really makes it so refreshing and sets the tone for the rest of the day. Definitely try it out and start the practice too. Thank you for watching the video. We'll meet again in our next episode with another healthy recipe. Thank you. If you liked the video, please share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.